Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the wildest custom cars of all time, the 1962 Ed Roth Mysterion. Built by the legendary Big Daddy Ed Roth, this car isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling piece of art, a symbol of hot rod culture, and one of the most iconic show cars of the 1960s. Let's break it down: the exterior, the interior, performance, and then wrap it all up with why the Mysterion remains unforgettable. Starting with the exterior. The Mysterion looks like it came straight out of a futuristic comic book. Ed Roth designed it with a bubble-top canopy, long sweeping fenders, and exaggerated curves that almost make it look alive. The fiberglass body was completely custom-molded, with dual front ends, chrome accents, and bold exhaust pipes flaring out dramatically. The twin headlights and jet-age styling captured the imagination of car enthusiasts everywhere. It wasn't just a car, it was a vision of what the future might look like through the eyes of a hot rodder in the early 1960s. Now let's step inside. The interior was just as radical as the body. Underneath that bubble canopy, Roth kept things minimal but futuristic. The cockpit-style seating placed the driver low and centered, giving the impression of piloting a spaceship more than driving a car. The steering wheel was custom, the controls were simplified, and chrome trim surrounded the gauges. The Mysterion wasn't built for comfort, it was built for impact. Everything about the interior screamed experimental and artistic. Now onto performance. The most shocking part of the Mysterion was under the body. Roth equipped it with two Ford 406 cubic inch V8 engines, yes, twin big blocks mounted side by side. Each engine was topped with multiple carburetors, and chrome headers snaked outward in dramatic fashion. The car had so much raw power that it was nearly impossible to drive safely, it was more of a showpiece than a street machine. Still, the performance potential was jaw-dropping, and the Mysterion set a standard for pushing the limits of hot rod engineering. Finally, the conclusion. The 1962 Ed Roth Mysterion was more than just a custom car, it was an expression of creativity, individuality, and the fearless imagination of the hot rod era. Even though it wasn't practical for the street, it became a legend at car shows, magazine covers, and model kits. Ed Roth proved that cars could be art, and the Mysterion remains one of his most daring and unforgettable creations. Today, it stands as a symbol of the 1960s custom culture, a time when boundaries didn't exist, and wild ideas ruled the road. So, what do you think of the Mysterion? Is it pure genius, or pure madness? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into automotive history.